Hi children, this is a very vital time because we are ending 2020. Next year you will be moving on to your next class. But before that you have to appear for your annual exams. So get ready, prepare yourself thoroughly, go through the books, textbooks are must, and try practicing the question answers on your own without seeing the books. So this is a very important part of your syllabus, that is globalization, which you are getting also in your lesson plans. So here globalization is a part which is a very important part in this kind of in this juncture. We are moving towards a world which is trying to come closer. The economy are trying to come closer. So this is a fact that if we don't come close to each other, we will not be able to grow ourselves. Okay, so it's very important. Globalization has certain impacts. What is that? First impact is it's higher growth rate. It's a great high growth rate is there. Due to this globalization, Indian economy has grown in a very has grown up. The growth is very high. The rate of growth is very high. And because why the growth rate is high? Because of the growth rate of the international trade. International trade also has gone up. If you see the statistics in your books, you will find out how far has this improved from previous years. Why this international trade? What has when there is a rate in growth in the international trade, there is an increase of foreign direct investment. Foreign direct investment is also there in every economy due to this globalization. So globalization has certain impact. First is high growth rate. If it's possible, you may also give the statistics, the percentage rate, to show how has this rate grown up. Again, this way, international trade has also grown up. How far has it grown up? That also you may also show it. And foreign direct investment, it is also called FDI. Foreign direct investment has also grown. So this is what is about globalization impact, because previously we did what are the effects of globalization, what is globalization. Now we have started doing impact of globalization. Today we have done 3. Next week we will do more. Okay, thank you for the time being. Get yourself updated through your lesson plans.